How to pick the right tiles for each area of your home. Hello friends, today we will talk about that how to pick the right tiles for each area of your home. Choosing the correct tiles for your home can be a tough task, particularly with the extensive variety of tiles available. Homeowners carefully think about the sort of tile that will best suit their home, what size and floor tiles design to pick, and if the design will suit their present decorations. It is essential to consider these common contemplations while choosing the right match of tiles. When you first go tile shopping in a showroom, it is better not to make any decision solely based upon the first impression of the tiles. Picture your home under multiple tile settings and choose the one which appears the best. While choosing washroom tiles, kitchen tiles, or open air tiles, one must focus on the water, ingestion, and sleep resistant feature of the tile. In case you want to avoid the choice paradox, keep a budget and floor tile design plan for your house in mind so that when you visit the showroom, you know what kind of tiles to go for. Here is the rundown of things to consider while you are shopping for floor tiles. Number 1. Picture the area which needs to be tiled. When looking for floor tiles, the significant thought is how much movement the zone is presented to. You may ask yourself these questions before planning to get the tiles installed. Will the tiles be utilized for the floor or walls? Is it a high movement area? Is the establishment inside or outside, and will it be presented to moisture? With regards to wall tiles, there are basically no confinement while choosing tiles, as floor tiles can be likewise be utilized on walls as well. The kitchen is viewed as a high movement zone and thus requires a tough and useful tile that won't scratch or show distance effortlessly. For indoor tiles, the measure of movement the region will get is critical to decide the level of scrap spot opposition the tile ought to have. When looking for tiles, purchase around 10% more than the quantity required, as you may need the extra tile in case if one or two tile plates are damaged. It will be extremely difficult to find the same set of tile designs. 2. Select the kind of tile required. The subsequent stage is to choose what kind of tiles you might want to utilize. Select the tiles which are probably the hardest and most grounded tiles, accessible and are notable for their unrivaled stain resistance and strength. Select the tiles for the bathroom which have the ability to absorb moisture and frost resistance. Larger sizes create a beautiful seamless look in open plan living areas. 4. Calculate the number of tiles required. Since you have chosen what sort of tile you had, get a kick out of the chance to introduce, the last thing to do now is to decide what number of tiles you will require. The more precisely you measure, the more exact your cost estimate will be. Keep in mind to incorporate reasons that may not be seen, for example, underneath the furniture and kitchen cabinet, except if these are implicit. Make sure to subtract entryways and windows from the aggregate sum while computing the wall territory. Take into account additional tiles in case of tile damages. 5. Instruments and supplies. Make a list of the tools and supplies that you require, including the tile, cement, and grout. Affirm the nature of the groundwork, cement, grout, and added substances, particularly if it's a wet or outside establishment, as the wrong materials can make the establishment fizzle. Conclusion. Tiles are considered to be an investment for easy maintenance and hygienic living. Make your choice with care. It's important to pick a tile that can stand the day-to-day wear and tear of your household. Make a point to pick a tile that is particularly designed for that specific area. Picking tiles solely on the basis of appearance can have some heartbreaking outcomes over the long period of time. You have to approach this choice sensibly and factor in the where and what for of tile installation before you begin seeing design, plans, and surfaces. It is the best counsel anybody is regularly going to give you. Don't hurry into any choice. Once you have made sense of the coordination, tile design and area, whatever is left of the criteria will become much simpler. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lord's channel How to Make Home.